What's up, demigods and demigoddesses? So today we're going to be unpacking these secret layer Marvel cards. These are all the non-foils from the heroic bundle that I got not too long ago. So we're going to be trying to pull the Abundant Groot card, and the Abundant Groot card is pretty rare. Not too many people have been pulling it. People have been getting them from non-foils, so now I have to unbox these. And they've been saying that Iron Man and Storm have gotten them, so these two are what we're going to start with first. So let's move these out the way. Let's start with Storm. Imagine I just pull it first try in the Storm. That would be too good. Oh, in the other video, I forgot to read all these out. As I told your master, I will not be conquered, and I choose not to surrender. Storm. I don't have my knife on me today. We're just gonna breeze through these because these are all very familiar to all of us. There's nothing behind it. First one down. Let's go with Iron Man. Did I read this one in the last video? Guess I'll just read it again. I know everything. I can't help it. Iron Man. I have a good feeling about this one. I'm about to spoil it. Captain America. I know who I am. I rescue the helpless. I raise up the hopeless. I don't measure people's lives. I save them. Cap! That's not it. Just got Wolverine and Black Panther. So far, no luck. Oh, this is the one I read last video. I'm the best at what I do, but what I do best isn't very nice. Come on, man. Come on. Black Panther. Please don't fail me. Please. Take your best shot. I will offer no resistance. Then it will be my turn. Black Panther. The last one. Alright, the final one after this. Did we get it? About to find out.
Cause my name is Curry Kinchin.
Oh my goodness. All these cards and no Abundant Groot. Now I gotta go on eBay and pay $300 for this stupid card. On the bright side, I will be giving away one card out of all these cards. And there's one catch though. I have to get to 200 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'll be giving away one card, any card of your choosing. So tell all your friends, share the video. One card. I'll give away one card. And yeah, that'll do it for today. I'll catch y'all in the next video. See ya.
I will do what I must. To die.